Hello everyone, this is Crystal. Today I want to show you a very nice belt disc sander. Here it is. And this belt disc sander is already upgraded from the normal belt disc sander on the market. And what it is, I will show you in details. Okay, first of all, here you see a fence with a big fence. Normally on the market, they are only just small fence. So this big fence, during working here, will come a lot of dust. And then this just like a dust collector, and then goes throughout to the dust port. Okay, and here we have, see here, and this part, if the metal chip inside is very hot, and then the inside metal chip will make here inside the plastic burn. So it is also a complaint from the market. And then we already upgraded because inside we use a metal sheet, so it will not make the inside plastic burn and then make the machine break. So it is very nice. Here we have a lock, you see? And it is very nice that we can very easily loose and then make your desired angle and then tighten up. After tighten up, you see, very fast. Normally on the market, after you tighten up, then still not hard, not fast enough, then we'll make it so like that. And this is also, you see, you can also make your desired here. Yep, the handle is also long handle. It's very easy, very simple to use. And also, let me see, okay, here, very nice. I will show you that the cable and cord, have you seen here? Very nice organized cable. This is also a very nice feature for this machine. Okay, now I will show you how to change the belt. First, you have to remove the fence, and then here we use a wrench, and then if you receive the machine just like that, and then you just turn, loosen the wrench, and then fasten, and just here, you see. Okay, very simple. You see, I can also change the belt and then assemble again. Okay, and then make lock. Very important. And here you also to adjust the belt position. Okay, and for sure we have to loosen again, and then make it down, and then fasten again. Okay, and then I'll show you here. Here, have you seen here? Normally, you always lose this wrench, but we have here a very nice feature here, a hole. We just put inside, it will never get loose again. So then, for sure you have to also tighten the fence, okay? And also here we have a very nice the material. I will show you. Yes, here normally this body is made by die casting, but we have metal welded. You have seen the welding marks, okay? And then the die casting is very very fast to go broken, but our one is very nice and long last. And I will show you here. This is the normal, but you know here extremely long. Yeah, so you can do it very easily. Yes, and also make your desired angle very fast. So what else? Yeah, due to we have improved all the details, it extended the machine lifetime. So it is worth that you buy it. Here you see a soft grinder, and this machine can also use soft grinder version, and just using your desired grinding bits, and then start your carving hobby. Thank you so much for your kind attention.